Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. Now these 2 points to joining line segment divide in which ratio, then we get the point -1, 6 asked. So here the divided point will be taken as in k:1 ratio by the principal model. Then P of xy is equal to kx2 plus x1 by x1 plus x2, ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. So here -3, 10, 6, -8 will be taking as x1 y1, x2 y2, and that -1, 6 is xy point. Now -1, 6 is equal to k into x2. So k into x2 is -6. So k into plus 6, not -6, plus x1. x1 is -3 by k plus 1. Now k into y2. So k into -8 plus y1. y1 is 10 given by k plus 1. So k into 6 is 6k plus into -3 is -3 by k plus 1, and k into -8 is -8k plus 10 by k plus 1. That one is equal to the point -1, 6. Now here this -1, 6 point is equal to the 6k minus 3 by k plus 1 minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1 point. So here equal symbol there between these 2 points. That means these both apses are equal and these 2 ordinates are equal. So equalizing the coordinates. Now we can take, if x coordinates are equal, then 6k minus 3 by k plus 1 is equal to -1. Now that division k plus 1 is transferred to RHS, that is multiplication. So 6k minus 3 is equal to -1 into k plus 1. So -1 multiplied with k plus 1, we get -k minus 1. So 6k minus 3 is equal to -k minus 1. Now this -k transferring to LHS, that is plus k. This -3 LHS1 transfers to RHS plus 3. So 6k plus k is equal to -1 plus 3. 6k plus k is equal to 7k. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then k equal to 2. Multiplication side transfers to this side, that is division. So here nothing but k by 1 is equal to 2 by 7. That means k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 7. That means these 2 points to joining line divides -1, 6 point in 2 is to 7 ratio if x coordinates are equalized. Then if we equalized the y coordinates, here also we get the same answer once observing. So -8k plus 10 by k plus 1 is equal to 6. Now this division k plus 1 transferring to LHS, there is multiplication. -8k plus 10 is equal to 6 into k plus 1. Now 6 is multiplied with k plus 1, we get 6 into k, 6k, 6 1 ja 6. So -8k plus 10 is equal to 6k plus 6. Now this -8k RHS1 transfers to LHS, that is plus 8k. Now this plus 6 is transfers to LHS, that is minus 6. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 and 6k plus 8k equal to 14k. Now this multiplication 14 transfers to LHS, that is division. So k is equal to 4 by 14. So 2 2s and 2 7s 14. So k is to 1 is nothing but 2 is to 7. So in both cases we get the same ratio. So any one coordinate equalized, that is enough. If we have to use direct section formula, then also we get the same result once observing. So here minus 1 comma 6 is equal to, by using section formula, m1 x2. So m1 into 6 plus m2 x1. x1 is minus 3. So m2 into minus 3 by m1 plus m2. m1 y2. y2 is minus 8. So m1 into minus 8 plus m2 y1. y1 is 10. So m2 into 10 by m1 plus m2. Now 6 into m1 is 6m1. m2 into minus 3 is minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2. m1 into minus 8 is minus 8m1 plus m2 into 10 is 10m2 by m1 plus m2. This one point is equal to the point minus 1 comma 6. Now here also the minus 1 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2. 6 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2. Why? Because both the points are equal. So here also equalizing the coordinates. Minus 1 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2. Now the division m1 plus m2 is transferring to LHS, that is the product. So minus 1 into m1 plus m2 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. So minus is multiplying with m1 plus m2, we get minus m1 minus m2 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. So minus m1 transferring to RHS, we get plus m1, 6m1 plus m1, that equal to 7m1. Now this minus 3m2 RHS1 transferring to LHS, that is plus 3m2 minus m2, that equal to 2m2. Now this multiplication m2 transfers to this side, that is division m1 by m2. Now this multiplication 7 transferring to LHS, that is division 2 by 7. That means we get the ratio m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Now here if we equalize the y coordinates, here also we get same this small only, the ratio 2 is to 7. So in this any one principle we use, we get the same result only. In what ratio does the point minus 4 comma 6 divide the line segment joining the points a of minus 6 comma 10 and b of 3 comma minus 8? So a of minus 6 comma 10, b of minus 3 comma 8 minus 8 points to joining line divides in which ratio? Then we get the point minus 4 comma 6, that is given. So here we using the section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So here x1 y1 are a points, x2 y2 are point b, and the p point is minus 4 comma 6. So minus 4 comma 6 is equal to m1 x2. So m1 into x2 is point b, that is 3, plus m2 x1, the x1 is point a, that is minus 6 by m1 plus m2. Next m2, m1, y2. So y2 is minus 8. So m1 into minus 8 plus m2 into y1. So here y1 is 10 by m1 plus m2. Three into m1 is 3m1, minus 6 into m2 is minus 6m2, minus 8 into m1 is minus 8m1, 10 into m2 is 10m2. So 3m1 minus 6m2 by m1 plus m2 minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 4 comma 6, the point. Now here both points are equal, that means we have to equalizing the coordinates. So here any one coordinate equalize, that is not a problem. So equalizing the coordinates. Now if we equalize the x coordinates, then we can take 3m1 minus 6m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to, it is abscissa. So in this minus 4 comma 6 also the abscissa minus 4 take it. Now the division m1 plus m2 LHS1 transfers to RHS, we get multiplication. So 3m1 minus 6m2 is equal to minus 4 into m1 plus m2. So minus 4 is multiplied with m1 plus m2, we get minus 4m1 minus 4m2. So 3m1 minus 6m2 is equal to minus 4m1 minus 4m2. So this minus 4m1 RHS1 is transferring to LHS, we get plus. So 3m1 plus 4m1, that is equal to, now minus 6m2 LHS1 transfers to RHS, we get plus 6m2. So 6m2 minus 4m2. So 6m2 minus 4m2 is equal to 2m2. 3m1 plus 4m1 is 7m1. Now this 2 is multiplying with m2. So transferring this m2 this side, that is division. So m1 by m2 is equal to, now m1 is 7 to multiplication doing. So this is 7 transferring to RHS, that is division, that is 2 by 7. The division is nothing but the ratio of another form. So m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. That means the line segment joining by the points AB are divided in 2 is to 7 ratio. Then we get the point minus 4 comma 6. Find the ratio in which x-axis divides the line segment joining the points 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 6. Then find the intersecting point on x-axis. So if we take in the graph, on that graph if we indicate 2 comma minus 3, so 2 comma minus 3 point and 5 comma 6, these points to joining line on that x axis, at which place it will be divided. So on that x axis if we taken means its y coordinate is 0. So that is x comma 0. So now the dividing point is x comma 0. So the point on x axis, then its y coordinate is 0. Let the point P of x comma 0. Now these 2 points to dividing x comma 0 in which ratio? So we have to use the section formula, and the section formula is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. So x comma 0 is equal to m1 x2, that is m1 into x2 is 5. So m1 into 5 plus m2 into x1. So m2 into 2 by m1 plus m2. Next m1 y2. So m1 into 6 and plus m2 into y1, that is minus 3 by m1 plus m2. So 5 into m1 is 5m1, 2 into m2 is 2m2, 6 into m1 is 6m1, m2 into minus 3 is minus 3m2. So 5m1 plus 2m2 by m1 plus m2, 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2. That one is equal to the point x comma 0. So here also equalizing the coordinates, then we get the ratio m1 is to m2. But here if we equalize the x coordinates, then here x value we don't know. But here this ordinate, in this point ordinate value 0 we know. That purpose we equalizing the y coordinates. So equalizing y coordinates, 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to 0. Now the division m1 plus m2 is transferring to LHS, that is the product multiplication doing. So 6m1 minus 3m2 is equal to 0 into m1 plus m2. 0 is multiplied with any number, we get 0 only. So 6m1 minus 3m2 is equal to 0. Now thus minus 3m2 LHS1 transfers to RHS plus 3m2. 0 plus 3m2 is nothing but 3m2. Now 3 is m2 to multiplication doing. So this multiplication m2 transferring to LHS, that is the division. m1 by m2 is equal to 3. Now 6 is multiplying with m1, so transfer to means division. 3 by 6. So 3 ones, 3 twos. So m1 is to m2 is equal to, we get 1 is to 2. The division is nothing but a ratio. So m1 is to m2 equal to 1 is to 2. So the point minus which point intersecting one, that one we have to find. So the ratio only here we find, that is 1 is to 2. So now here in this equation we substitute m1 plus 1, m2 plus 2, then we get the x coordinate. So here the equalize the x coordinate, x is equal to 5m1 plus 2m2 by m1 plus m2. Now here we know that m1 m2 values are 1 2. So the ratio is 1 is to 2 purpose m1 plus 1, m2 plus 2 substituting. 5 into 1 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2. So 5 is 1 ja 5 plus 2 2 ja 4 by 2 plus 1 is 3. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 by 3 is nothing but 3. So x value is 3. So here x value is 3, here we substituting. Now the dividing point is 3 comma 0 and the ratio is, the dividing ratio is 1 is to 2 to the points 2 minus 3 and 5 comma 6 on x axis. Find the ratio in which y axis divides the line segment joining the points 5 minus 6 and minus 1 minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. Same before mal only the problem given. So here if we observed the points, now 5 comma minus 6, 5 comma minus 6 is located in that quadrant and -1 comma -4 that is in the third quadrant. Now both points to joining on that y axis. So on that y axis we taking its x coordinate as 0. So now the point will be taking as 0 y. So on that y axis x coordinate 0. So let the intersecting dividing point zero comma y, that model taking. Now 5 comma -6 -1 comma -4 point to dividing 0 comma y point in which ratio, that one we have to find. So we using the section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, that one using. So here 0 comma y is equal to m1 x2. So m1 into second point will be taking as x2 y2. So that is -1 x2 is plus m2 into the first point 5 comma -6 will be taken as x1 y1. So here x1 is 5 by m1 plus m2. Next m1 into y2, that is -4. So m1 into -4 plus m2 into y1, that is -6 by m1 plus m2. m1 into -1 is -m1, m2 into 5 is 5m2, m1 into -4 is -4m1, m2 into -6 is -6m2. So -m1 plus 5m2 by m1 plus m2 -4m1 -6m2 by m1 plus m2 is now equal to the point 0 comma y. So here both points are equal. So we equalizing the coordinates, but here we know the abscissa value is 0. So that purpose x coordinates equalizing. So equalizing the x coordinates -m1 plus 5m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to 0. Now this division m1 plus m2 transferring to RHS, that is the multiplication 0 into m1 plus m2, that is nothing but 0. So now these plus 5m2 transfers to that side RHS, we get -5m2. 0 minus 5m2 is -5m2. Now m2 is -5 to multiplication doing, so transfers to this side, that is division. So m1 by m2. Now here -m1 means this -1 into m1, so this -1 transferring to this side, that is division. -5 by -1, minus gets cancelled, that is 5 by 1. So the ratio is nothing but division. So in the division form, one writing in ratio, that is 5:1. So here 0 comma y point is divides in 5:1 ratio. Then the point -5 comma -6 and -1 comma -4. Now what is the dividing point we finding? So here equalizing the y coordinates, then we get the point. Why? Because one coordinate abscissa we know. Now we have to know the ordinate value. So equalizing y coordinates y is equal to -4m1 -6m2 by m1 plus m2. So here y value we want to find, and m1 ratio is to m2 is 5:1. So m1 plus 5, m2 plus 1 we substituting. So minus 4 into 5 minus 6 into 1 by 5 plus 1. Minus 4 into 5 is minus 20, minus 6 into 1 is minus 6, by 5 plus 1 is 6. Minus 20 minus 6 is minus 26. Minus 26 by 6. Both will be going in 2 table. So 2 13s and 2 3s. So the y coordinate is minus 13 by 3. So the dividing point is 0 comma minus 13 by 3 in the ratio 5:1. To the points 5 comma minus 6 and minus 1 comma minus 4 to joining line segment. The line segment AB meets the coordinates in points A and B. If point P of 3 comma 6 divides AB in the ratio 2:3, then find the points A and B. So on that coordinate plane we taken let the points as point A on x axis. So on that x axis we taking its y coordinate as 0. And point B on y axis. So on y axis its x coordinate will be 0. So the point is 0 y. Now these 2 points to joining a line segment divides the point P 3 comma 6 in the ratio 2:3. Now that x coordinate and y coordinate we want to find. So here A of x comma 0 will be taking as x1 y1 and B of 0 comma y will be taking as x2 y2 and the ratio 2:3 will be taking as m1 m2. Now the dividing point 3 comma 6. Now by using the section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now that one apply. Now we get 3 comma 6 is equal to m1 x2. So 2 into x2 is 0. So 2 into 0 plus m2 3 into x1 that is x by 2 plus 3. Next m1 y2. So 2 into y2 is y plus m2 into y1. 3 into y1 is 0 by m1 plus m2. 2 plus 3. 2 into 0 is 0 plus 3 into x is 3x by 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 into y is 2y plus 3 into 0 is 0 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So now the point 3 comma 6 is equal to 0 plus 3x is 3x by 5 plus 2y plus 0 is 2y by 5. Now here both points are equal. That purpose equalizing the coordinates. Now if x coordinates are equal, then 3x by 5 is equal to 3. Now these 3 by 5 transferring to RHS. Now its reciprocal to we want to multiply. So x equal to 3 into 5 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. So x equal to 5. So x coordinate is 5 we get. Now equalizing the y coordinates. Then 2y by 5 is equal to 6. Now 2 by 5 is y2 multiplication doing. So transferring to RHS, its reciprocal to multiplication doing. So 6 into 5 by 2. 2 ones, 2 threes, 3 5s 15. So y coordinate is 15. Now the points are a of x comma 0, that is nothing but a of 5 comma 0 and b of 0 comma y. The point is now b of 0 comma 15. Now 5 comma 0 0 comma 15 points to the point 3 comma 6 dividing in the ratio 2:3.